profile, right? Profile completed. When to use profile? If any, so whenever any new user wants to create, then what is that? You need to assign one profile. The profile nothing but what is that? A set of permissions, set of access. Okay, which type of access we will provide through profile? App level, tab level, object level, within the object fields, page layout, record types, these all are come under profile. That means if you want to control these things, we will use profile. Okay. So yesterday I told you one of the scenario. What is that? If all the people having the what is that? The same profile, reception profile, but one of the guy want to give extra access. All are in same row. Understand? But one guy needs, that means all are in same role means all having the reception profile. Reception profile, we are already giving the patient object access. Understand? But these three people having same profile, but one guy needs extra bed access. In that case, without change the profile, why? If you change the profile, all the people are impacted. So that is the reason, without change the profile, if you want to give the extra permissions to the particular persons, in that case we are using permission set. Understand? So profile and permission set both are control the access. Understand? But every person profile is mandatory. Every person profile is mandatory. Every person permission set is optional. If you want to give the extra permissions, then permission set. You can give the permission set. Understand? Yeah. Now come to, for Peter, I want to give the bed access. In that case, what should I do? Go to users, Peter, user. Now, see, this guy already reception profile already there. That means he is having the app access, Apollo app access, and patient object tab access, patient object access, and everything. Now I want to give the extra permissions to this guy without change the profile. Understand? In that scenario, we will use permission set. Create one permission set. Okay, John required, but then give the assign the permission set to John. Then John only get the bed access. Understand? So profile means set of access is coming. All the people, right? But some people in the same profile, some people required in the extra permissions. Understand? In that case, we will use permission set. Clear, everybody? When to use permission set? If one organization, 100 users are there, all 100 employees are same profile. For example, here, what is that? Reception. 100 reception people are there. All people are having same profile, reception profile. But 5 members required extra permissions. Only 5 members, but all are reception guys. Only out of 100, we need to give the extra permission for specific 5 people. In that case, you can choose that 5 people and add the permission set. Understand? In that case, what should we come? Reception profile access plus permission set access. Understand? Yeah. Now go to, I will create one permission set. See, so many permission sets are there. I will create my own permission set. What is that? Reception set, reception permission set. Reception people permission set. Okay. Now session activity don't require this. Save it. Just add the label and API name. Save it. License also don't require. Now see guys, what is this? This is the permission set name, reception permission set. Now in the reception permission set, it is empty. Now you can give the extra, what is that? Add the which permission we want to use here. Which permission? I want to give the bed tab. So that means bed tab permission plus bed object permission. So here, where is that? Tab. Tab is not there. Tab is not there. Go to object. Object settings. Click on it. Here, which object you want to give? Bed. Where is the bed? This is the bed. Open the bed. Now here, see, edit it. But the tab access available, visible. That means we are giving the tab access. And object permission. Object permission means, do you want to read the data? Yes. Do you want to create the data? Yes. Do you want to edit the data? Understand? Do you want to read the data, create the data, edit the data, delete the data, and blah, 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 blah. Everything. What is these two? I will explain you later. This is in the different scenario. I will explain you. What is the permissions I am giving? Whoever having this permission set, that guy will be read the bed access. That means he is able to see the bed data. He will create the data. We will give the create access. That means new button, edit button, delete button, view all and modify all. What is this? I will tell you. So we are giving the tab access, object access. Understand? Now fields. Which fields? All fields are, see, I'm giving the already all fields. We will give word number as well, word name as well. Read access, edit access. Field permissions also I'm giving it. Okay. Now in the reception permission set, I am giving the bed tab access, bed object related access, buttons and everything, and fields access. Okay. Now save it. Permission set is ready. Like that, you need to add n number of permissions here. Okay, whatever you want. Now, which guy required this permission? Go to Peter. This is the Peter. Peter already having the access. Which access, sir? Reception profile access. Reception profile means app access and patient tab access. Now we need to give the extra permissions come under permission. How to add it? In the below, see, permission set, assignment. Click on edit. Where is the permission set? Which permission set? What is the permission set we have created? Reception permission set R. See, reception permission. Add it. I am adding one permission set to whom? Peter. That means these permissions are applied. Save it. Now in the overview, Peter getting the permissions of reception profile permissions plus permission set permissions. That means in the reception profile, we are giving the Apollo Hospital app patient tab. In the permission set, we are giving the extra. What is that? Bed access. Total, he is getting app permission, patient permission, and bed permission as well. Okay, we'll see. Internet is very, very slow. I don't know why. Okay, see here already. What is that? Bed permission is coming. Already bed. Here, what is that? Which app it is? Apollo Hospitals plus patients. These two are come under profile, right? Bed access come under permission set. Understand? For example, one second, guys. I am getting one issue. Yeah. For example, what is that? I don't want, for example, the manager. There is a, what is that? The reception manager. After 10 days, he is coming. Now, what should that guy do? Hey, I'm back. Please remove the access of. What is that? The second case, something is happened. Okay. Now, after 10 days, the reception user manager is coming. So then the support people will be, the manager is asking to support people, hey, support people, I'm back. Please remove the bad access to the whom? Peter. Then the support people open the user and delete the permission. That means we are removing the permission. Then what happened? This guy only profile. Profile means app access, patient tab access. But there is no bad access. Now see. Where is the bed? No bed. Why? We are already deleting the bed permission through permission set. We are already removed. Understand? Permission set is there. Which guy is required? You can add it. Understand? Now, very, very important interview question. How to provide the, what is that? App level access to the particular user through profile, through permission set. But very, very important interview question. Every user profile is mandatory. Every user permission set is optional. Very, very important. So that is the reason in the interview, those people are asking, can we create the user without profile? No. Why? Why? Because without specifying the access, how we are creating the user. Understand? So without profile, we can't create the user. But without permission set, user will be exist. Why? Permission set is an option. If you want to give the extra access, add the permission set. Otherwise, leave it. So that is the reason user point of view, whenever we are creating the user, profile is mandatory, but permission set is optional. Understand? Any questions, anybody? Delete it. Any questions, guys? Anybody? Any questions? If you are understand, I will go little bit up in the same concept. Understood, everybody? Okay. Now, guys. Now, for example, I am adding the permission setter. I'm adding the permission set. Whenever I'm adding, this guy getting the bed access. Is that? Peter getting the, we are added the permission set. So bed access is coming. See, bed and everything is coming. Okay. Now guys, please remember, now, for example, already support people, what is that? Added the permission set to the user. Whenever, what is it? It is a temporarily, right? Whenever manager is come back, after 10 days, manager is come back. But manager will not forget that inform to support team. Hey, I'm back. Please remove the access for the my employee. He forgot it. Then what happened? Manager, who is the manager? Naresh. Naresh already having the access, the bed access. See, Naresh having the, he's a manager, bed access, and this guy also having the bed access. Right? Manager come back, right? Whenever manager is come back, he forgot to inform to the support team, hey, I'm back. Please remove the permission set to the Peter. He forgot that. Then what happened? So this guy will be, what is that? Still he is having the access of bed. Understand? For that purpose, if manager is forgot it, okay, this is the problem will be occurred, right? That is the reason it is a new feature, guys. Recently, the Salesforce introduced new feature. Okay, the feature is called expiry permission set. Expiry means manager is 10 days is on leave, right? That means manager is telling to the support people, hey, support people, add the permission set for only 10 days. Whenever 10 days is over, it is automatically expired. That is the new feature which is provided by the Salesforce. Understand? Understand, guys? Whenever manager is come back, okay, in the old one, what is that? Manager is informed to support team will be go to the respective user and delete it. For example, there is a chance manager is forgot to inform the support team. Then still this reception profile, sorry, permission set will be available in the user. That means he is having the bad access. Understand? So that is the reason Salesforce provided the beautiful feature called expiry permission set. What is that? Expiry permission set. How? Very, very important interview question also. Understand? Same, whatever I explained, same like that, those people will ask you. Whenever we are, same scenario, whenever you are added that permission set, okay, that guy will be getting the, what is that? Access. So for example, I want to expect the permission. So for example, that permission set must be applied within 30 days. After that, I want to deactivate it. Is it possible? Previously, it is not possible, but now it is possible. Understand? Yeah. How to do that? Here, there is an option, guys, but this option is not available here. This is the new feature, right? I all told you classic also deprecated. That means nobody using it. All new features come under lightning. Okay. So first go to, I will remove it. Okay. Now it is a permanent, right? Now my requirement is after 10 days, automatically deactivate the permission set automatically. So go to lightning experience. Go to setup. Same like, what is that? Setup. Here also setup is in one option. Same in the classic whatever. Here you can type one option called User management settings. What is that? User management settings. Click on it. What is the option? User management settings. Within that, these are the so many options. Don't record everything. Here, check permission set, enable permission set, permission set, permission set. Where is that? See, permission set group assignment with expiry date. This must be enabled. It is already enabled. Okay. If not, you can enable it. This is the first step. Again, I will not explain again, guys. Please. That's the reason I'm going very slow. First, what is that? User management settings. Then come to permission set group assignments with expiration date. You can enable it. In the document, I already specified steps. Okay. If you want, you can note down. Otherwise, I will share with you. So enable it. Okay. Once it is enable it, go to your permission set. Go to your permission. How to go to permission? Here also you can open the permission set, or you can go to the classic. Both the scenarios you can go to the, what is that? Go to classic. Open that your permission set. Which permission set? This is the one, right? Recently we are opened. Open your permission set. Please remember, in the lightning, we are activate that expiry permission set option. Okay. Now here open again. This is your permission set. We need to, what is that? Give the expiry date for this. So here manage assignments. What is that? Manage assignments. Click on it. Manage assignment. Click on it. See, this window is loading means it is a new feature. See, this icon is loading means it is a lightning. We'll see. Okay, now see, this is the lightning page, guys. This is the lightning page. In the classic lightning page, these people are developed. Okay, that's the reason both are same. You need to learn only concept. Okay, now click on add assignment. So this which permission set? Reception permission set. By whom you want to add, when do you want, when to expire. That is the purpose. So add assignment. Click on it. Which permission set? Reception permission set. Add, see, reception permission set. I am click on that. Add assignment. After that, the screen is loaded. Here, all users are coming. Which person do you want to add this reception profile? Sorry, permission set. Previously, we are open the user, right, and add permission set. For example, 100 users, we are added the permission set. You can open first user, add the permission set. Second user, add the permission set. Third user, add. So it is a very difficult work, right? Now here, this is the permission set. Open the permission set. Then all users are come under this. Now you can add it. Okay, I want to add this Peter. I want to add some X. I want to add some Y. All people, we can add this permission set. Now, in our case, only one user. In the real time, you can add this permission set to 100 users. You can select it. Your client is already told you, right? You can select n number of users. That means all users we are assigning this permission set. Click on next. Once click on next. See here. This is the option will be coming whenever you are enable that option in the starting. Okay. Now what is it? No expiry date. I want expiry date. Click on second option. Specific the expiry date, expiration date. That means I don't require permanent. I want some specific time. What is the specific time? 1 day from today onwards. 1 day, 1 week, 30 days, 60 days. I want 2 days. 2 days is not there. I want 10 days, not there. In that case, custom date. Custom date. How many days? What is the today? 29th. 10 days means up to 10th. For example, select that 9 up to, okay, from today onwards, okay, 9 up to 9th, from today to 9, total 10 days. Now assign it. Understand? Here we are adding the time to Peter. What is the profile? Reception profile. We are adding reception permission set up to 9th March. Understand? Now assign it. See, one assignment was successful. This is the lightning UI actually. Okay. Now see, reception permission set. You are assigned to Peter. When it is expired? When it is expired? 9th March of 2024. Which time zone? Calcutta time zone. India time zone. That's it. Understand? That's it. Done. See, expiry on, there is a warning. This is a warning icon. Okay. Whenever you are come to here, what is that? Expiry on, okay, when it is expired, 9/3. Then automatically whenever 9/3 will be done, then automatically this permission will be removed, expired. That means that guy will not getting the, what is that, bad access. This is the very, very beautiful feature, guys. Understand? Yeah. That's it. Any questions, anybody? Any questions, anybody? Understand? Any questions, guys? Online people. Online people, anybody? So, okay. So, guys, see, what is that? We have a, if you want to control the access, we have two options. One is, what is that? Profile and permission set. Which access you need to control? App level, tab level, object level, blah, 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 blah. So these all are come under, if you want to control, okay, this guy needs this field. This guy don't require. So you can control through profile or permission set. This guy required this space. This guy don't require. In that case, through profile or permission set. Understand? So you can control the acts of application level. We are using profile and permission set, but to the user. But every user profile is mandatory, permission set is optional. Understand? So profile means the basic access this guy is coming. On top of it, if you want to add extra permissions, we will use permission set. Permission set also, if you want to add in the specific time, then you can use expiry permission set. You can add the time. That is the total, what is that? Security of the app level. Security of the app level. So now we already discussed in the security, app level security done. Within the app level security, which concept we are using? One is profile. Second one is permission set. Okay. No, man. Okay. App level, profile and permission set. That means whatever you are created in the Salesforce, object, fields, page layouts, anything, you can control these two. Understand? All people require same access. Then you can use the profile. In the all the category, that means same type of category. Some people require extra access. Then you can use permission set. That's it. permission set also we can set the time expiry date as well. That is the new feature. Okay, that's it. Okay, so app level done, guys. As of now, app level done. What about next? Before come to data level, org level access. Why I will tell you. Okay, org level. Org level means password setting, how much length it is. If that guy is entered wrong password after 3 hours, what is 3 attempts? We need to, what is that? Log the org something, blah blah blah. How? Very easy. This one. Go to again profile. Which profile we are created as of now? Reception. Go to R here. R. Reception profile. Now, for example, in the reception profile using 100 employees. This all 100 employees, you need to give the org level access. What type of security? What type of security? We'll see. Come down. See here. Very important. This reception profile, how many people are using, for example, in the real time? We are creating what? Reception profile. In the reception profile, in the real time, 100 employees are using. That means all 100 employees getting same access, right? Now you need to provide the security to the, what is that? Org level security to the, that 100 employees. How? These 100 employees, which, what is that? Which access, which profile these people are using? Reception. Then go to reception profile. Edit it. Now come down. See, session settings. What is the session settings? For example, if you are open that HDFC account, okay, HDFC account, you are enter your username and password. You are not doing anything up to 5 minutes. Automatically, what happened? Timeout. That is called session expired, right? So same like these reception profile users. Who is that? Peter. Peter opened the org. He's not doing anything. So then you need to provide the security. What is that? After 1 hour, after 2 hours, automatically session will be closed. In that case, see, session timeout after 2 hours or after 1 hour, after 30 minutes, after 15 minutes, you can set that session. Understand? So this profile, who is using Peter? Peter open the org. Where is the org? Yeah. For example, Peter, this is the Peter org. Peter open this. He is the reception profile, right? He is not doing anything. So how much time it will be stable? Up to 2 hours. For example, I want to, what is that? It is a very sensitive application. It is a banking application. Banking application, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, those people will give you. How to control it in the Salesforce? In the Salesforce session timeout, it is there. What is that? I want 15 minutes. If this profile users open their org, these people not doing anything up to 15 minutes, automatic session will be closed. That is the setting here. Understand? In our case, it is a 2 hours. Okay. Leave it. This is the session settings. Next, user password expired in 90 days. That means you are already created one org, right? You are already created one org. So that org, if you go to system administrator in your profile, check it. User password policy, user password expired in 90 days. That means after 3 months, automatically it is asking new password. Automatically. For example, it is a very sensitive banking application. Then you can use 30 days or 1 year or never expire. Never expire means password will not expire. Understand? But for security reasons, you can add some time. After 30 days, it is asking password. In my case, I will use never expire. Understand? Never expire means password will not expire. Same password it will be using until you will be dead. Understand? Next. but security reasons we will not give that. Okay, why? Because it is a banking application. For example, banking application very sensitive data. That's the reason every time you need to change the password at least 15 days or 30 days, blah blah blah. Okay, next, enforce password history. What is meant by that? For example, guys, these all are theoretical. Peter is entering, what is that? Entering their credentials here. Okay, and enter the password. What is the password? In the first time, that guy password is A, B, C. A is a capital, B is small, C is small. Okay. Now, after 30 days, password will be expired. Why? You are already give the 30 days in your profile, that guy profile. So 30 days after, it is asking, hey, can you please enter the new password? Why? Because you are already given 30 days. Then this guy will be giving password XYZ, the new password. Okay. Now again, after 30 days, again it is asking, what is that? Password. He is using again the old password ABC. That means old password. When, what is the old password? The previous password, right? So 1, 2, that means 1, 2. History is second password. This is the one. Previous password is this. Before password is this. Same password this guy is using. Now you can enforce to the, what is that user? Hey, user, don't use the last 3 passwords. Don't use last 5 passwords. You can use new password. That means the system is checking this password is this guy is using last time or not, or before last time or not, or before last time or not. Like that, if you want to give the thing, see here, 3 password remember. That means what is that? 3 password remember means this is one password, this is one password. Now, if you are entered again ABC, what is the last 3 passwords? Last password XYZ. Okay, but last 3, last 2. What is the last 2 password? ABC. Now again ABC. It is, remember, hey, last second password you were using already ABC. Why are you using ABC? We are not accepting. That type of setting you can provide here. Again, that guy is added ZBC something. That is fine. Why? Last 2 passwords not matching with the current password. For example, again he is using A, B, C. Will you accept? What is the last 3 password? Here, what is that? Last 3 password, it is remember. It is remember the last 3 password. You are using ABC. What is the last 3 passwords? In the last 3 password, already ABC is there. Now again it is saying that please change the password. You are already using in the previous. Now you can use CBC something. Now after this you can use ABC. Now check it. Last 3 password 1, 2, 3. Last 3 passwords ABC is there? No. Then it is accept. Understand? Understand? That is the meaning of enforce password history. Understand? For example, it remember 19 password. It's very, very difficult, guys. How you remember, right? So that's the reason so many people are using 3 passwords or something. Understand? This is called security. Next, minimum password length 8 characters. No, I want to give the 15 characters. You can give 15. That means you need to set the password 15 characters. Then password complexity must include alpha and numeric character. 8 characters password. Within the 8 characters, alphabet and numeric characters. Or these are the any. There is a restriction. Password must be 1 character, 1 number, blah, blah, blah. You can choose anything. Next, password quotient requirement. Whenever you are changing the password, it is asking security quotient, right? In the Gmail, it is asking who is your childhood friend, what is your favorite food, that type of thing also you can set it. Okay. Next, maximum invalid login attempts. That means I told you, I'm entering my password is ABC. I'm entering XYZ. First time failed. XYZ failed. Something failed. Like that, how many times it is checking? 10 times. That means up to 10 wrong passwords you can enter it. Whenever you are entering 11th time, automatic org is locked. For example, I don't require up to 10. 3 is fine. That means 3 wrong passwords it will be allowed. Whenever 3 is done, automatic what is that? Org is locked. Understand? That is the one. Whenever lock, what is that? You are entering 3 what is that? Invalid passwords, org is locked. How much time? 15 minutes. In the SBI, 24 hours. HDFC, SBI, something. You can set the time also. How much time? You can log the org. This is the, what is that? What is that? Org level security. Password policies and security. Understand? Any questions? Anybody? Any questions, anybody? If you go through that, you can understand, guys. Okay. So this is the option is there. If you want, you can use it. Clear, everybody? Online people. The security questions in the real time, it is coming, man. Okay. Yeah. Now that's it. I will cancel it. Why? Because I will use as it is. This is the one. Now, what is this? This is done. Which one? Org level done. Now what is that? Data level. Now we are come to the data level. What is the data level? I told you in the HDFC. So for example, whenever Ashok is a person, Ashok open their username and password. Now Ashok able to see their data. What is that? What is the Ashok current amount? What is the Ashok username and what is the Ashok account number? Blah, blah, blah. Right? I'm not able to see other, what is that? Users data. Why? That is called security. Understand? For example, see guys, HDFC Bank, there is a customer is a one tab. Customers is a tab, for example. Within the tab, who were already taking the account from the HDFC. That records these people are storing. Here, how many people are there? Ashok is one account, John is one account, Ravi is one account, Hari is one account, Shiva is one account. Like that, what is that? These all are the customers of the HDFC. That means these are the customers, right? Everybody having the username and password. That data these people are storing here. Now, whenever Ashok is opened in the net banking or something, now Ashok enter their username and password. Now Ashok is able to see which data? Which data? Customers data, but within the customers, he is able to see only Ashok data, not other people data. For example, Ashok, whenever Ashok open that net banking, the Salesforce provided, the org is provided all the customer information. Then what happened? Ashok able to see other people data as well. In that case, what happened? Security. It is not correct, right? Even me, whenever I open, I see that what is the Ambani account, what is the Ambani, what is it? Everybody, what is my friend account, how much money this? That is not good, right? So that means we need to, what is that? Provide the security in the data level. Ashok opened the net banking, Ashok able to see Ashok record. Shiva open their record. What is that net banking? Shiva able to access their own data. What is the Shiva account number? What is the current balance? What is the statement and everything? Understand? Same concept will apply here. For example, see, go to our hospital management system. See, Apollo Hospitals. One second. Default settings are there. I want to check it. Now see, guys. For example, who logged in this account? Who logged in this account? Naresh, right? Now Naresh open the patients tab. Guys, very, very important, very, very difficult. Please try to understand. Naresh logged in. Naresh click the patient tab. Now go to all. He is able to see how many records? 9. 9 records, right? 9 records. That means in the patient, 9 records are there. But who created these 9 records? We'll see. I will add that created by. In the starting, I will add created by. One second. This layout I want visible to all users. That means all the people able to see all patients. Okay. Now see, 9 records are there in the patient object. Who created these 9 records? All are Naresha. What is that? Out of 9, one is Peter. One is Peter. Very, very important, guys. In the real time, it is so much of confuse. Understand? 9 records. Out of 9 records, 8 records Naresh is created. Then fine, Naresh is able to see. But why Naresh is able to see Peter record? It is not correct. Understand? Why? Naresh owns only 8 records. But Naresh is able to see their records plus other people data as well. Understand? That means here there is no data level security. Data level security not there. Same thing you can apply it in the bank. What is that? It's the customers. How many customers are there? 9. Naresh open, then Naresh able to see their records, not other people information. That means here there is no data level security. Same thing we'll see in the Peter as well. Peter, see, if you go to Peter arc, this is the Peter. Peter logged in. Peter able to see their records, not Naresh records. We'll see. All patients. Peter able to see their record plus Naresh records as well. Here also there is no data level security. That means it is not correct. There is no security. There is no security. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. There is no security. Now, what we will do? Guys, real time, to be honest, this is the only difference. So many people are saying that it's very, very difficult. Yes, it is difficult, but please concentrate. Please, why? Because here so many things are coming. I will give you one diagram. Using that diagram, if you are remember that story, everything will be covered. Okay, please listen. Okay, don't ask me again. Please try to explain again. Why? Because if I explain very slow and multiple scenarios. If I explain again, it will be taking 1 more hour. Okay, please. Yeah. So here, now what should we do? Whoever logged in, that guy able to see their own records. Then problem will be resolved. Who is logged in here? Peter. Peter login. That means Peter able to see their data, not other people data. Understand? Not other people data. Before that, as of now, we are working with custom objects, right? I will add one more time. I will again go back. Okay, just again I will be repeat the same concept one more time. What is that? Forget about this. I want to give the account access here in this app. I want to give the account object access in Apollo hospitals. How to do that? Account object, guys. I want to add the account tab in this app. How to add the tab into the app? Why I will tell you. Okay, why again come back? I will tell you. Go to app. Go to system administrator. Go to app. Which app? Apollo hospitals. Setup. Apps. Guys, I'm again repeating the same profile concept. Okay. Why I will tell you. Go to which app? Apollo hospitals. Within the Apollo hospitals, these are the tabs are there. I want to add extra tab. What is the tab? Accounts. Standard tab. Why accounts? Account is not related to hospital. Forget about that. I want to add one more extra standard tab. Where is that? Accounts. I'm adding it. Save it. Now see, account tab is coming. Account tab is coming. Okay. Now, guys, please observe. See here. This is the Peter. Peter. I will add it. See, I will refresh it. Account is coming. Why account is coming? Why? Because already, what is that? In the profile level, account permission is there. That is called reverse engineering. Understand? I'm not adding. But what is the profile? Peter profile. How to give the access, guys? Through profile. What is the Peter profile? Reception. That means without touch the reception profile, this object and tab is coming means already, what is that? That reception profile account access is there. That is called reverse engineering. Understand? We'll see. We'll see. Go to profile. Edit. Which tab it is coming? Account tab. See, account is on. Account is on. And object level. See, account. Read, create, edit, delete. All are there. That means account access is there. That's the reason. That means in the profile level, account tab is there. That's the reason it is coming. Now again, see here. Yes, through permission set also, man. Yeah. Now, come to here. Open account. Open account. Go to all accounts. How many accounts are there? How many accounts are there? 15. 15 records. These are 15 records. Who created? Naresh related to how many records? How many records Naresh belongs to? 14. See, account owner is Naresh or created by. For example, I will add, there is no created by, right? I will add created by. Now you can understand why the people are giving this created by blah blah blah. See, created by alias. Now see, created by alias Naresh IT. How many Naresh ITs are there? 14. Why? This is the different. This is different. Autopro something. That is a different owner. Okay. That means Naresh belongs to how many records? Total is 15. Naresh belongs to 14. But in this scenario, whenever you are open like this, okay, here there is no data level security. Clear, right? There is no data level security. Why? Naresh able to see auto proc record. Okay, auto proc record. So there is no data level security. At the same time, go to here, Peter. Is there any Peter records are there? No, right? Out of 15, one is auto related, remaining 14 Naresh related. Naresh is the owner. But Peter related records are there in the account? No. That means whenever you are click on the logged in as a Peter and click on accounts, how many records want to display? How many records? 0. Why? Total 15 records. 14 is Naresh, 1 is some other guy. There is no Peter records. But still 15 records are coming. Again, what? Data level security is not there for which object? Account. Understand? That means by default in any organization, data level security not there. You need to provide the data level security on which object? Always data belongs to object. Which object you need to provide the data level security? Understand? First step is how do you understand? How do you know whether data level security is there or not? Same data you can display in the different profile users. One is system administrator. I can see that in the system administrator. Who is the system administrator here? Naresh. Whenever you are open the Naresh, what is that? Naresh able to see their data and other data. For example, Naresh is a system administrator. System administrator means what? He's a Superman, right? He's having all powers. That means Naresh able to see all the data. Okay, leave it. But this guy is a user. He's a just user. He's not Superman. He's not a system administrator. But he is also able to see all the other people data. That means account object, there is no data level security. Understand? Any questions? How do you know whether data level security is there or not? Here, open any object and see this guy records only available or other records also able to see. If other records also able to see, that means there is no data level security here. First step. This is the first step. Clear, everybody? Not super user. I'm just saying that like that, but he's a admin user. Okay. Don't use Superman, something like that. Okay. That is just for our learning. Okay. Everybody understood? Guys, please reply. Please reply. Everybody. Okay. Yeah. Now, guys. Now I want to, what is my requirement? Except admin. Why? Because admin is a Superman, right? Except admin. Anybody logged in, that guy able to see their own data, not other people data. Okay. Now, how to do that? For example, Peter logged in, then Peter able to see their own data. How many data is there? Nothing. 0. Then what is that? Security will be applied. Data level security will be applied. Okay. So for this scenario, I will give you one story. Okay. Then you can remember that story. Then we'll see. What is this, man? Gated community. Okay, this is our apartment. Gata. Okay. For example, this is the house. Yeah. This is the 101, 102, 101, 102. Second floor. 201, 202. Like this. I don't want to add all. Okay. You have idea, right? Now, sorry. Sorry. 301, 302. Okay. like that it is there. Okay, guys, this is very, very helpful. This is my total experience. I am learning like this, then only I can understand. Okay, so now, for example, your home is this, your flat is this. This is your flat. What is the flat number? 301. This flat is belongs to A person A. Okay, now within the flat, these words are very, very, very important. Try to understand. Within the flat, who is the owner? A. A can, what is that? Within the flat, please remember, don't walls. He will, what is that? Able to access everything. Why? Their own flat. Within the flat, he is able to access everything. But he is not able to access 302, 303, what is that? 201, blah, blah, blah. So that means A is 301. That's the reason within the 301, he is able to do anything. He is able to see anything. Okay. Next, what is the first word? Every owner able to their own flat, not other flats, guys. Please remember. Able to see everything. First point. Second one. Builder is giving the kitchen like this, blah, blah, blah. He want to, he did, what is that? He didn't like it. Then he will break it. Is it okay? Yes, why? Within the flat. But he want to break this wall. Is it possible? No. Why? What is that? Other people will be impacted. Other flat people. That guy will be beat you. Right? So within the flat, you can break anything. Right? What is the second point? Break anything. Then once break it, again the wall is 4 feet. He will construct that 6 feet. That means he is modifying anything within the flat. All are, what is the condition? Within the flat, he will able to see anything. He is able to break anything. He is able to modifying anything, and he will remove the wall. That means he is able to destruct the wall, dismantle the wall, or removing. So these all will be applied to the respective owner. What is that? Respective flat, respective owner will be applied these 4 points. A is a owner of 301. Then this 301 flat, A will be doing these all 4 activities. But A having these access, but A will not apply the same access to 30 other flats. Why? That guy will be beat you, right? For example, if you are going to 302, hey 302, your wall is not good, I will break it. What happened? Right? So please remember, if this is your flat and within the flat the owner is A will be having these things. Okay, clear? It is not a rocket science. Clear? Now, okay, now guys, this is their own flat. Now this is the play area. Why I'm taking means, I already all the people are having the gated communities or communities. Everybody knows, right? That's the reason I'm taking this example. Now this is the play area. In the play area, what is there? For example, some swings are there, right? Kids, some, what is that? Not swing. Swing or some court is there, volleyball court, something blah 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 is there. Okay. For example, this swing is red color. Red color. This court is, for example, some, what is that? Some nets are there, blah blah blah. Now this A guy 301, he is having the same access. Now this guy come to the common area. Now this guy is saying that, hey, this swing is not good. I want to change the, what is that? Red color to yellow color. Is it possible? No. What is his role here? He just use it. He just use it. But don't break it. Don't modify it. Don't remove it. Understand? Why? This is the common area. This is the common area. Common for all people. Common for all people. That means you can go and utilize it. Don't do anything. Understand? In this case, you can do anything except what is the common walls. Leave it. Except common walls, you can do anything. Understand? But in the common, what is that area? Common area, nothing but what is that? Play area or amenities, something is there, right? So here, all items are there. What is that? Gym is there, court is there, shuttle court is there, everything is there. What is your role? You are just go and use it. But don't break it, don't modify it, don't remove it. Why? It is a public property. It is a public property. Understand? It is a public property. Public means within the community, not other people will not use, right? Why it is public property? Irrespective of this community, guys, not other people. Why it is public property is common for all these. For example, 500 flats are there. All 500 flats, this is the public property. Public property, nothing but you can, what is that? You have some access. But this is the public property or which property it is? This is the which property? Public property or private property? Private property. Individual owner. This is the private property. This is the public property. For example, this is your community. Here, park is there. Now that is the which property? So then what is the difference? This one and this one. One second, guys. Hello. Good morning. Okay, what is the difference between this one and this one? This is also public property. Guys, in the coding also it will be very helpful. Okay, it's not nonsense. This is the public property, this is the public property. But what is the difference? Right? That means this is only utilized by the specific set of people, community people. This is all over Hyderabad or within the area, anybody, right? Anybody using it. So in that case, this is called global property. I am introducing small technical words. So whenever that word is coming, okay, you can understand this scenario. It is very helpful. Understand? So now, what is the keyword? Global means outside of the community, anybody using it. So your community people, other city people, other street area people, other community people, everybody using this. It is a global property. Understand? This is public property. Respect to this community. Understand? Respect to this community is a public property. But within the community, every flat is a private property. Understand? These people only using this public property. Why? This belongs to these people. Understand? Clear everybody? Clear everybody as of now? Now I will convert this to different way. In the Salesforce, I will apply the same thing in the Salesforce. This community nothing but our Salesforce org. This community nothing but Salesforce org. Within the Salesforce org, every flat nothing but different flat nothing but objects. Account object, patient object, blah, 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 blah. Understand? Within the every flat, what is that? Walls are there, TV is there, blah, blah, blah. So many, what is that? Items are there. That items are nothing but data, records. Okay? Now, account, patient, contact, bed, blah, blah, blah. Now, public, nothing but within the Salesforce, everybody using. For example, I am creating one object. I am creating one object. What is the object? For example, XYZ object. XYZ object, I am creating it. Now, I will apply I am creating, what is the object name? XYZ. For example, I am creating one object. Now, guys, what is the object name? Customer. Now, customer, I will make it private. I will make it customer is private. For example, how to make it, I will tell you. I am creating one object. You know how to create the object. I will make it private. Private, nothing but who will see the data? Whoever creating the record, that guy able to see the data. That guy able to edit the data. That guy able to delete the data. That guy able to modify the data. For example, here I am creating customer object. I will make it, what is that? Private. How to make it, I will tell you. So within the customer object, I am creating some A record. Who created? For example, Peter. That means this is your 301 house. Within that A is a, what is that? One wall. Who is the owner? Peter. Here A is the owner. Now Peter, this A record, he is able to see, he is able to, what is that? Break it, he is able to modify it, he is able to delete it. Why? Peter is the owner of the A record. Understand? And also this A record is a private data. Private data means private flat. Understand? Now the customer object, I will make it, it is a public. Public means here that means this customer now in the here public. That means everybody able to see the data. That means everybody able to use it. Everybody able to, so like that. What is that? If it is a public, everybody use this data. If it is a everybody means within the Salesforce. Within the Salesforce, 100 people are there. All 100 people able to see, able to do anything. For example, if customer is global, I make it global. Global nothing but not only community member, other people also able to do everything. So global nothing but outside of the Salesforce. Sir, how to other people, how to, what is the outside of the Salesforce able to see? That is a different story, I will tell you. So if this object is, what is that? Global. Global means not only Salesforce people, Oracle people able to see the data, .NET people able to see the data, Java people are able to see the data and modify the data, blah, blah, blah. In that case, we are make it this object as global. Now, object is same. Which people want to do? For example, only particular people. That means only particular people. Then customer is a private. Within the Salesforce, all the people using it. In that case, it's a public. Outside of the Salesforce, also those people able to do. Then the object must be global. Private, public, global. Private means private data. He is able to, whoever create the record, that guy able to see, that guy able to edit, that guy able to modify it, that guy able to delete it. Understand? So if it is a public, everybody able to see, everybody within the Salesforce, everybody able to see, everybody able to edit, everybody able to delete it. If it is a global, not only Salesforce employees, Salesforce people, outside of the orgs, Oracle people come to Salesforce and able to see, able to modify, able to delete. .NET people come to Salesforce, open that object and able to read, able to modify, able to delete. That is the meaning of these three keywords. What is the keywords? Private, public, global. By whom you can apply these keywords? Object level. In the object level, for example, here this is the account object. Within the account object, A created 10 records, B created 20 records, C created 30 records. Total in account object, how many records are there? 60. Understood? Understood? Now, if account is private, please remember, if account is, I want to apply the security, if account is private, then A is able to see only how many records? 10. Why? It is a private. A is able to their own records. What is that? 10 records. 60 records are there in the account, but A is a private. Private means private data. Private data means my own data I want to see. Understand? So A is able to see 10 records out of 60. Whenever B log in, B able to see 20 records out of 60. C is able to see 30 records out of 60. In that case, whoever log in, that guy able to see their own records. In that case, you can make it account is private. Understand? No. Everybody want to see my data. Then within the Salesforce, public. Okay. As of now, leave it global. I will introduce later. Whenever account is public, then A owns 10 records, but he is able to see extra 50 records, total 60. B owns 20 records, he is able to see their own records plus, what is that? C and D, that means total 60. C records, he is able to see actually 30, but account is public. Public means he is able to see 60. That means their records, other people records also, these people are able to see. Understand? That is the power of these two keywords. Understand? Understand? For example, A is able to see in the Salesforce only able to see nothing but we are giving one keyword called read only. What is that? Read only. Modifying, what is that? Editing and everything, we are giving that read write. Read write means he is able to see, he is able to modify. These are the keywords. Understand? Understand, guys? Everybody. So you can remember what is that? Private and public. Private means who owns the record, that guy able to see. For example, in the X object, 1 lakh records are there, but X is a private. In that case, Ashok is creating out of 1 lakh records, Ashok is creating 1000 records. In that case, if X is private, Ashok able to see only 100 records, not 1 lakh records. Why? X is a private. If X is make it public, Ashok having 100 records, even though that guy able to see, what is that? 1 lakh records. Why? X is a public. Understand? Understand? Okay. Sarika, can you please tell me what you couldn't understand? I will unmute yourself. Can you tell me where you are unable to understand? Tell me, please.
Sir, అది read only అనేది explain చేశారు కదా, ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చేయరా?
Okay. So, see guys, read only, nothing but read. Only read. Read means able to see. For example, here see, there is a swing is there. In the public property, swing is there. Swing is there means you are only able to use it, but don't modify it. For example, the swing is red color. No, I'm not using red color. I will, can you please make it yellow color? Did you add that yellow color? Nobody will accept. Why? It's a public property. So read only nothing but you are able to see the data, but you are not able to do anything. Read only means you are able to see the data, but not able to do anything. For example, see, whenever you are open that HDFC account or Facebook account, for example, here it is not possible. Okay, whenever you are open that Facebook account, so you are added, what is that, one photo. You are added your image, guys, one image. That means who is the owner of, that is also one record, right? In the Facebook point of view, you are added one image means that is one record. That record who is own? For example, Ashok is added. Ashok is own the record. Understand? Now Ashok having, is able to see. He's able to see nothing but read only. Ashok, what is that? Want to delete it. In that case, we can say that read write. Ashok upload the image. Who will able to see? All other people, right? But someone didn't like Ashok image. That guy will able to delete my image. No. Why? That guy having the read only access. He's able to see, but he's not able to delete anything. He's not able to modify anything. Understand? Understand, guys? Read only means what is that? Other data you can only see, but you can't do anything. Understand? For example, you are open the HDFC account, guys, bank account. You are able to see what is that? Your name, your account number, and blah blah blah. Did you modify it? No, it is not possible. Why? You have the permission read only access. The bank people giving the read only access. Who will modify the data? Clerks. Clerks having read only plus what is that? Read write access. Understand, Sarika, what is meant by read only and read write?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So read only, very simple, able to see the data, but you can't do anything. Read write, able to, if you are read it, then only you can modify it. That's the reason read write means able to see and able to modify. Understand? Now, what is that? We are learning, what is that? Total 4 keywords. Private means private property. Private property means who is the owner? That guy able to see, able to do anything. I have a, what is that, land. I'm able to see my land. I'm able to construct the building. I'm able to dismantle the building. That is my wish. Why? I'm the owner. Who will ask you? Right? For example, public property. I'm saying that what is that, one park. In the park, there is a swing is there. So in that case, public property, but that is not your own, right? In that case, you are able to use it, but don't do anything. In that case, it is a read permission. Understand? Read and write. Okay. Now, guys, if you are understand these 4 keywords, then I will go next. Everybody clear? Online people, everybody clear? Online people, everybody clear? Or any questions, anybody? Okay? Yeah. Based on these 4 keywords, entire security will be defined, guys. Okay? That's the reason I'm explaining very slow. Now, see. First, what is that? My requirement is whoever logged in, that guy able to see their own data. Which data? Account data. Now, here, who logged in? Naresh. Naresh able to see Naresh data. Yes, this is the Naresh data. But Naresh able to see, what is this? Other guy data. That is not correct. Okay, leave it. Why? Naresh is a Superman. He's a admin. Forget about that. But in this case, Peter is just user. He's an employee. He's able to see other people data. That means account is a public. Account is a public, right? That is the reason account data, Naresh data, Peter able to see. Why? If it's a public data, then all the people able to see other people data, able to access other people as well, right? So that means account is public. Now, Peter see the data and Peter edit it, Ashok, and changing to what is that? This number, blah, 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 blah. Save it. This record belongs to whom? Who is the owner? Naresh. But who modified? Peter. That means account is public and account is which access system is provided? Read write. That means account is public, read write. That is the access, right? So what is that? What is that? Peter able to see Naresh data. That means account is public. Understand? Peter able to see and able to modify as well. That means in the public data, in the account public data, these people are given that read write access. Read write access. Now what should I do first? First, what should I do? My requirement is account data, whoever owns, that guy able to see. My flat is there, I'm using it, not other people. So that means this is the flat, whoever creating the data, that guy only able to see, not other people. That is the reason first, what should I do? Account, I need to make it private. If account is private, that means here 15 records are there. Whoever creating the record, that guy able to see, not other people. Understand? First account, I will make it a private property. How? Go to system administrator. There is an option called 2 minutes, guys. There is an option called sharing settings, security control, sharing settings, sharing the data. So now see here, what is that? First option is org-wide defaults. Org-wide defaults means in the organization, which organization? In your Salesforce organization, what is the security you are provided? Org-wide default, OWD, org-wide default settings. And that means in particular object, in the entire organization, what is the access? So what is the object? You want to use C, account and contact. Account is a public, read write. Account is a, forget about contract, account is a public. That is the reason, account is a public. That is the reason Peter also able to access Naresh data. Why? Why? Account is public. And Peter also able to delete Ashok, able to modify Ashok. Why? It is a read write access. Now you can change it to what? Private access. We'll see. Edit it. This concept again I will come to through coding. Okay, please remember. See here, default internal, default external. Default internal means within the Salesforce. External means outside of the Salesforce, other people. So I will make it, this is private. What is that? What is that? Private. Account is private. Private means I am the owner of 10 records. I am able to see only the 10 records. We'll see private. Save it. This is the profile. See, one warning is coming. Same concept. Why this warning is coming, I will explain you in the technical way. Okay, but there is in the background so many things are happened, but as of now don't require. Until this warning is completed, please wait. Okay, now what is that account? Account is a private. Now see the magic. See here, this is the account. He is able to see how many records? 15. Why? He is a Superman. Admin will not apply these things. Now come to this guy. Who is this guy? Reception user. Reception user point of view, account is a private. Private means he is able to see their own records. See? Why? It's not coming. Why? It is a. Oh, sorry. This is not. This is a Naresh. Where is this guy? See? This is a Peter. Peter point of view. What is the account in the org level? Private. Private means owner will be able to. Don't require. Why? Profile is not working with the data. Profile is only acts of application. Which application you want, which tab you want, which object you want, not data. This data level security is different. Profile only for which component you want. Profile not control the data, right? This is the data. Object level, which guy need which object, which guy need which tab. That is controlled by profile. Understand? This is the data level security. So, see. What happened? Why? Still, 2 records are coming. Huh? Why? Peter is coming these 2 records. Who is the owner? Who is created by? Naresh. Why? Why? Why still it is coming? These 2 records. There is one more settings is there, but I will discuss later. Okay. But as of now, this guy able to see what is that? Actually, this is these people are sharing in the back, and one more settings is there. I will explain you. But anyhow, for example, these 2 records are not there. We'll see. This is requested. Please contact the owner. Administrator access necessary. Okay, 1 second. Which record we are able to see? Why I will tell you guys. But as of now, that is a different Grand Hotels. Where is the Grand Hotels? Where is the Grand Hotels, guys? This one. Delete it. I think there is an issue. See, the Grand Hotels, we are adding so many cases. Case is a public. That's the reason it is coming. Every case, account is a mandate, right? We are adding Grand Hotels to these cases. Case is a public. So that's the reason account also visible. Okay, but as of now, leave it, guys. These are all cases, huh? Okay, yeah. Okay, as of now, leave it. So these 2, except these 2, what is that? This guy not able to see other records. Why these 2 is coming means already case is, these 2 accounts are assigned to case. That's the reason case is public. Now this is also coming. I will make it case also private. We'll see. Where is that? Where to go? Setting in the admin, sharing settings, sharing settings. Now I want to make it case. Where is the case? Case is a private and contact also. Case is private. Okay, it is assigned to someone. Contract. Where is the contact? Private account contact. I will tell you why. Hmm. 1 second, it will be coming sometime. This is the owner is, who is the owner, guys, here? Cases are always public. Grand Hotels, Naresh. Okay, I will make it this owner to Peter. Then it should be. Why I will tell you guys. Peter. Now, one more account. This guy, this owner also Peter. Now total all accounts. This is Peter, and this one also I will modify it. Okay. Okay. Why? This time is too late. Okay, I will tell you guys. See here, these two accounts actually in the back end some rules are applied. Once all are complete, then you can understand. But as of now, we are hiding. What is that? Some narrates regards to this guy, right? That means security is applied. Okay. Tomorrow again I will explain this concept, and on top of it something I will explain you guys. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain the same concept in the different way. Okay. Yeah. Any questions? Anybody? Any questions? Guys, until it is completed, this concept is come, don't practice it. Why? Because I am changing some internal settings. The what is that? Org level, these people are giving some default settings. I'm changing internally and doing it. If you are doing it, it will not work. So once this entire concept is completed, then you can understand what is first, what is last, what is middle. Understand? Don't practice this concept as of now. Once this concept is over, then you can idea about that starting to ending. Understand? So after that you can start that. Meanwhile, you can complete the other concepts. Okay. Yes, OWD. This is the concept called OWD. Okay, guys. Yes, Sajid. Thank you, guys. It is too late. Sorry for that. Bye, guys.